We're live and let's set the scene like it's game time. Only today's arena is your computer screen and the star player is Microsoft Word. You fire up the device, you're looking for that blue W icon, a desktop taskbar, start menu, maybe Launchpad on a Mac, and once you click, Word is loading like a team running out of the tunnel. The start screen pops up, you've got a lot of fancy template options, but we're going straight to basics. You hit blank document, the cleanest playing field in the game. Now you're staring at that big white page in the middle, the scoreboard is empty, and at the top you see tabs like Home, Insert, Layout. That whole strip is the ribbon, your full playbook of tools. Right in the middle of the page, that little blinking line is your cursor, waiting like a point guard with the ball. You click once on the page, lock in your starting spot, and you're ready to type your title, your first sentence, your first paragraph. Need a new line? Tap Enter and keep the offense moving. And when you've got something worth keeping, you don't leave it to chance. Top left, File, Save As, pick your folder, give it a clear name, hit Save, and save often. Just like that, you're not watching the action, you're writing it.